In Australia, there are over 300,000 registered heavy trailers on the road. But as of 2025, less than half of them are fitted with a modern trailer electronic braking system, also known as TEBS. TEBS helps older trailers meet today's safety compliance expectations without needing a complete rebuild. TEBS stands for Trailer Electronic Braking System. It enhances the traditional pneumatic braking system by adding an intelligent electronic layer. This allows for faster, more accurate braking responses and additional safety features. The benefits of TEBS include electronic braking, EBS, for faster response times, anti-lock braking system, ABS, to prevent wheel lockup, roll stability to help reduce the chance of rollovers, load sensing, and auxiliary functions such as automatic suspension reset, lift axle control, steer axle control, ability to power other devices, and more. Since 2019, all of the new heavy vehicles, 12 tonne and over, must be fitted with a compliant trailer electronic braking system. Given that many heavy vehicles are 15 to 30 years old, there are a large proportion in the national fleet which do not have TEBS system fitted. As a result, these vehicles are missing out on the performance benefits that electronic braking provides, as well as improved compatibility between vehicles in the combination. Additionally, safety features such as roll stability, anti-lock braking are not present without a modern braking setup. The impact of this can be an increase in vehicle incidents, such as rollovers, heavy combinations failing to stop in time, excessive brake wear or flat spots, poor combination stability, and the need for additional bolt-on systems to power and control auxiliary features. The great news is these older trailers can be easily upgraded with an off-the-shelf solution, allowing the old pneumatic-only braking system to access electronic capabilities and safety benefits through TEBS. To retrofit TEBS, you'll need a qualified installer. Knorr-Bremse expert network partners are located in every state, and they're trained to handle TEBS G2.2 retrofits to full compliance. Retrofit kits are available through our expert network and aftermarket distributors, including towing and non-towing setups for semi-trailers, dollies, and drawbar or dog trailers. In addition to these base kits, the installer may need to fit spring brake or relay valves, depending on what's already fitted and the condition of the valves. The trailer axles need to be ABS ready with pole wheels and mounting for the wheel speed sensors. For typical 2 or 3 axle semi-trailers, only 1 in 3 axles need to be sensed, the centre or rear axle. If you're unsure about which parts are required, application drawings are available from the Knorr-Bremse team on request. All brake actuators within each axle group should match in size and brand, unless the design requires otherwise. Auto slack adjusters should also be fitted to maintain optimal braking adjustment. The installer then completes a brake calculation sheet, and Knorr-Bremse engineers provide a VIN-specific configuration file based on the trailer layout. The programming of the module and the end of line is completed using Knorr-Bremse diagnostic software and hardware, available through our expert network partners. To finalise the retrofit, an approved vehicle examiner will certify the setup to ensure it meets Australian design rule requirements. With TEBS G2.2, older trailers gain modern braking performance, stability and compliance. To learn more, visit our website, call our customer service hotline, or contact your local Knorr-Bremse representative.